so it's near the end of the day, or maybe even the beginning of the day, and your eyes are looking like the Sahara Desert. I will go in and I will take my, this is an SPF 50. It has PLLA in it and is from the House of PLLA line, but this can be used, a lot of people just use this as their daily base, their foundation. And so the trick is to just open this up and you'll go in, just the very tip of it, you'll put, just push down, get a little bit. And so it has a little bit of orange undertone there. And you'll go in and you'll just tap away any Sahara dryness. And this will set down, and it's not gonna give you, just give it a chance to set down. I was so happy that I figured this out because I was just at work and I was like, oh my God, I'm playing around with different powders and I'm like, I look like a wreck. And I just used the tiniest bit of this, tapped it in, and it is wrinkle diffusing or sort of blurs. And so it just looks fantastic under the eyes. If you have blueness under your eyes like me, it helps cancel out ever so slightly a little bit of that blueness because of a little bit of the undertone to this. So this is my favorite hack during the day, or if I'm going from day to night and I need a refresh under my eyes, bam. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.